Hello. Welcome to this video on making money with ChatGPT. Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Are you ready to take control of your financial future? Look no further, because I am here to show you the ultimate guide to making money with ChatGPT. The first step to making money with ChatGPT is to understand that it is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It is a tool that can help you make smart financial decisions and create multiple streams of income. The key to financial success is to have multiple sources of income, and ChatGPT can help you identify and pursue those opportunities. One way to make money with ChatGPT is through investing. By using its advanced algorithms, ChatGPT can analyze market trends and predict which investments will have the highest potential return. This can help you make informed decisions about where to invest your money. Another way to make money with ChatGPT is through starting your own business. ChatGPT can help you identify profitable business ideas, create a business plan, and even assist with marketing and advertising strategies. You can also make money with ChatGPT by freelancing. ChatGPT can help you identify in-demand skills and match you with freelance opportunities that align with those skills. This can be a great way to earn extra income while working on your own terms. Another way to make money with ChatGPT is through real estate investing. ChatGPT can help you identify profitable properties and assist with the analysis of market trends and potential returns on investment. You can also make money with ChatGPT by starting your own e-commerce business. ChatGPT can help you identify profitable products, create a website, and assist with marketing and advertising strategies. Making money with ChatGPT also includes saving and budgeting. ChatGPT can help you create a budget and identify ways to save money, so you can reach your financial goals faster. One idea for making money with ChatGPT is to use it to assist with online market research. By using the advanced language processing capabilities of the model, you can quickly and easily gain insights into consumer preferences and market trends. This can be used to inform your business decisions and help you identify new opportunities for growth and revenue. Another idea for making money with ChatGPT is to use it to create automated customer service chatbots. These chatbots can handle a wide range of customer inquiries, from basic questions to more complex issues, and can help you reduce the need for human customer service representatives. This can help you save money on labor costs while also providing a more convenient and efficient experience for your customers. Another way to make money with ChatGPT is by using it to create highly engaging and personalized content. The model's natural language processing capabilities can be used to create articles, blog posts, social media posts, and other types of content that are tailored to the specific interests and preferences of your target audience. This can help you increase engagement and drive more traffic to your website or social media channels, which can lead to more revenue from advertising or product sales. Another idea for making money with ChatGPT is to use it to create automated financial analysis and forecasting tools. The model can be trained to analyze large amounts of financial data and make predictions about future market trends and performance. This can be used by businesses and investors to make more informed decisions and potentially increase their profits. Another way to make money with ChatGPT is to use it to create virtual personal assistants. The model's natural language processing capabilities can be used to create a personalized, AI-powered assistant that can help users with a wide range of tasks, such as scheduling appointments, making reservations, and even ordering food. These virtual assistants can be sold as a standalone service or as a feature of a larger platform. Another idea for making money with ChatGPT is to use it to create automated language translation services. The model can be trained to understand and translate multiple languages, which can be used to help businesses expand into new markets and increase their reach. Additionally, this can be used to help individuals and organizations communicate more effectively with people from different cultures and backgrounds. Another way to make money with ChatGPT is to use it to create educational and training programs. The model can be used to create interactive, multimedia-rich learning experiences that can be used to teach students, employees, or customers about a wide range of topics. These programs can be sold as standalone products or used as part of a larger training or certification program. The key to making money with ChatGPT is to use it as a tool to assist in making smart financial decisions. It can be easy to get caught up in get-rich-quick schemes, but the key to long-term financial success is to make smart and informed decisions. By using ChatGPT to identify multiple streams of income and assist with investment and business decisions, you can take control of your financial future and achieve financial success. So, Start using ChatGPT today and watch your wealth grow. Please, like, share, comment and subscribe.